Stars who spoke about nepotism without hesitation. Alia Bhatt. This talented star kid accepted that her connections in Bollywood made her Bollywood debut very much easier without any problem. She also feels that it is very much normal for an outsider to feel unjust about the existence of nepotism. Kriti Senon. Bollywood actress Kriti Senon, who is an outsider in the industry, said in her interview that nepotism badly affected her career. She revealed that multiple times Kriti was replaced in movies with star kids and she lost movies because of nepotism. Ananya Pandey. This actress, who got her Bollywood debut through Dharma Production, accepted that nepotism exists and it is easy for star kids in the industry. But Ananya Pandey also claims that it is very difficult for star kids to sustain their place as they are always under the scanner. Rajkumar Rao. National award-winning actor Rajkumar Rao talked openly about nepotism and said that many non-talented actors get chances in the movies for nepotism. He also added that favoritism does not bother him, but when someone non-talented gets the chance because of favoritism, that bothers him. Imran Hashmi. This actor has a connection with Bollywood as Mahesh Bhatt is his uncle. He was launched by Mahesh Bhatt with the 2003 movie Footpath. This actor has openly accepted that he is a product of nepotism and it would not have been possible for him without nepotism. Taapsee Pannu. This straightforward Bollywood actress has revealed that she lost many movies just because of nepotism as she got replaced with star kids. Taapsee even revealed in one of her interviews that without any reason she was kicked out of the movie Pati Patni Aur Wo. Karan Johar. The man who is infamous for launching star kids in the industry accepts that nepotism exists not only in Bollywood but everywhere. Ranbir Kapoor. This Kapoor lad once openly admitted the fact that he got the chance in the Bollywood industry just because he is a star kid. Ranbir Kapoor said that nepotism exists very much in the industry and it would not have been possible for him without his family. Ayushmann Khurrana. Extremely talented Bollywood actor Ayushmann Khurrana got his well-deserved recognition after many years of struggle. The actor has openly said that if nepotism does not exist, then he would have made his Bollywood debut 5 years ago. Siddhant Chaturvedi. Well, all of us remember his savage reply to Ananya Pandey about nepotism in their interview with Rajiv Masand. He said that a star kid faces less problems in the industry than a self-made star. A star kid gets everything from the beginning. Kangana Ranaut. The whole nepotism topic started getting talked after Kangana Ranaut called Bollywood director Karan Johar the flag bearer of nepotism. According to this actress, a star kid gets everything as they need in Bollywood, whereas it takes around 10 years for an outsider. Swara Bhaskar. This actress once said that Bollywood is all about connection and that is why star kids get chances in movies. Surveen Chawla. This actress talked openly about nepotism and said that she was once kicked out of a movie without any reason for a star kid. What are your thoughts about nepotism's existence in Bollywood? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more Bollywood updates.